Ready for this, boss?
Ready? Yep. Big moment.
Let's see what we got.
Okay, so Paul's just about finished cutting that section of the roof off, and this is something I've been pretty nervous about because we're going to find out just how rusty it is underneath there.
All right, should we have a look?
Yeah, sounds good. Yeah, sort of.
Let's see what we got. Well, I think that's quite good. Pull the drip rail off. It's no worse than the other side. So pretty happy about that.
Thank God for that. I was so relieved to see that it wasn't completely destroyed under that roof. I kind of had like this worst case scenario in my mind where it was going to be completely wrecked and we weren't going to be able to find a donor roof to go on it. And you know, to be honest, I really hadn't been looking forward to doing this roof.
I've been looking forward to doing this rusty old roof. I've had a really good look at it. It's obviously really rusty on both sides of the car. So if we commit to coming out into the roof, running one weld, front to rear, one patch, made out of two pieces, because that's a big bit of metal. It's about 1.5 metres long. So end cap welded to a full side and end up with a full roof side. That's our completed roof side. It's all welded in. I'm really happy with how it's come up. We've done both sides, so they're both at the same stage. We stuck to our original plan of doing it in two pieces, so you can see the weld line through there where we've welded the end cap to the front section. That's a finished weld line. Wherever possible, where we can, I quite like to run the welds continuous. So basically pick up the welder, start at one end and without stopping, run it all the way through. It feels really good across the weld. There's a little bit of room for improvement. I've got it sort of 90% to where I want it to be. I'll go through and spend a little bit more time on it just to get it a little bit straighter. But all in all, for a weld of that length through a fairly flat panel, more than happy with the result. And that's why these cars rust. That is bare metal. So when they paint them from new, their spray guns can't get up between the cant rail and the roof skin, so there's no surface protection from day one.